Problem 8. It says if the sine of theta is 3/4, what is the cosecant of theta? Now, we have these new things. We have cosecant of theta, we have the secant of theta, and we have the cotangent of theta. These are all new to us. But all they are is they're reciprocals of the sine and cosines and tangents. Now, it's easy to see this, the reciprocal of that guy is going to be the tangent. Tangent of theta is going to be his reciprocal. These two are going to be reciprocals. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so the cotangent will be adjacent over the opposite. The secant, well, you know, it would have been great since this begins with S if they had assigned it sine, and cosecant that begins with a C, they had assigned it cosine, but they didn't. So, that's how I always remember it. C does not go with the C, it's got to go with the S. So its reciprocal is sine, and the reciprocal of secant is the C, cosine. So, it's pretty easy. It says the sine of theta is 3/4. Well, who is sine's reciprocal? Cosecant. And it wants to know the cosecant. So the cosecant of theta here is simply the reciprocal. 4/3. There you have it. Nice and easy. If we didn't have it, we would have to draw the picture of this, get the third leg, and then you could end up figuring out which one you needed. And again, here the cosecant is reciprocal of sine. So basically you have the cosecant will end up being, since sine is opposite over hypotenuse, this will be hypotenuse over opposite. Secant is reciprocal of cosine. Well, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, so this will be hypotenuse over adjacent. You just flip them. Tangent is opposite over adjacent, so this will be adjacent over opposite. That's all you have to do. They're just reciprocals of one another, just new names to learn. Hope it helps.